Magandang gabi po. Alam ko po marami sa inyong may alam na matagal ko po piniling manahimik. Bakit? Kasi kagaya po ng iba sa inyo, natakot po ako.
So much more like when the time you whispered in my ear.
Hindi naging maganda yung nangyari. Naging dramatic po yung experience ko noon.
When you said
Kagaya po ng naranasan ngayon ng ibang mga artista na nagsalita. Ang dami pong pag-atake, ang
even saying that
daming sinabi hindi lang
I was
sa akin pero pati pamilya ko.
really wrong.
Kaya sinabi ko po nun sa sarili ko na yun na yung huling beses na magsasalita ako sa ganong usapin kasi ayoko nang maulit yun.
Then you're gone, oh so far away. I was afraid this time would come. I wasn't prepared to face this kind of hurt it from within. I have learned to live my life beside you. Maybe I'll just dream of you tonight. And if into my dream you'll come and touch me once again, I'll just keep on dreaming until my heart aches end. Then you left without even saying that you're leaving. I was hurt, and it really won't be easy to forget yesterday. And I pray